Noong year 2000 par, Caraga ay ano ba? 2003, if I am not, the entire portion of Caraga, kasali yung local town namin, was like, nagpipilter yan. They will filtering. Kaya nga makikita mo yung distinction between the government and dun, yung tayo, mga tao. And you have to imagine, mayor lang yan. You have the governors, congressmen, and then the higher ups. And it was like a given mandate to the mayor. And ang kamalian lang siguro ng nagmamanage ng Caraga that time is that they did not give a clear mandate